Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Cameron, and today I have a video unboxing of the new MagSafe Duo Charger. Alright, so this costs $129, which in my opinion is overpriced considering it's just a charger for one device plus an Apple Watch. And it does not come with a brick inside. So what, in my opinion, it should be priced is like a MagSafe cord plus an Apple Watch charger cord. So an Apple Watch charger cord is around, I think it's $30 and a MagSafe is $40. So if you add those up, you get $70 plus like a convenience fee, right? So in my opinion, this should be priced around $80 to $100, but it is $129. So let's get into it. So there's a pull tab here. It's not a very clean unwrapping. I have to put that to the side. And then, just like Apple's other boxes, this one doesn't want to come down. And there we go. Alright, so here we got the Apple Watch side, then we got the MagSafe side. And so this is magnetic. Let's put that to the side. So in here we got some paperwork, no Apple stickers. And then here we have a Lightning to a USB-C. Alright, so let's put all this to the side and take a look at the actual charger. Alright, so here it is. There's some stickers on the front of this and on the Apple Watch side. And this can actually go up because if you have a solo loop like I do, you can't rest it. You actually have to go like this. So this Apple Watch is actually like floating above the bottom of it, connected by magnets, which is cool. Alright, so I'm going to plug it in. So the back of this here is a lightning port. And then the other side of this is a USB-C. Now I only have a USB-C charger at the moment, so that's good. But my brick is only 18 watts, so let's see if that works. Alright, so I plugged it in. Okay, let's put the Apple Watch on. I'll put it like this so y'all can see. The Apple Watch is charging. And we got that little nightstand mode. Alright, let's see if the iPhone will charge. So I got my iPhone 12 Pro here. Alright. That charges as well. So you do not need a 20-watt charger. I'm sure that it is slower, but you do not need that charger. And so, first, this is probably good if you're traveling a lot. Not that anyone is right now, but it folds either way. So you can just use it as an Apple Watch charger, just an iPhone charger, or you can split it in half. This material is kind of like their silicone cases a little bit, maybe a little smoother. It's like their iPad case materials, more like that. And these magnets are pretty strong. But this in the middle, there's not really like any It's just a piece of material. Like, you can't have it stay in one position. It's either like this, or open. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, please like, comment, or subscribe. Anyways, see you guys later. Bye.